Welcome everybody. This is David Das and you are watching Think and Retire. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the notification button so you do not miss my future videos. And again, thank you very much for supporting my channel throughout these years. In this video, I'm going to talk about the most profitable oil companies in India. I'm recording this video on Saturday, December 23rd, 2023, and all the information is current as of today. If you own any one of these stocks, or if you plan to buy them, please write in the comment section below. So I'm sure the viewers will appreciate that. So I will start with number 5 first. Number 5 on my list is Hindustan Petroleum. Their net income for the trailing 12 months is 166.5 billion Indian rupees. The company was founded in 1910. The head office is in Mumbai. They have about 8,500 full-time employees. They refine and market petroleum products in India and internationally. Number 4 on my list is Bharat Petroleum Corporation. Their net income is 275.1 billion Indian rupees for the last 12 months. The company was incorporated in 1952 and is based in Mumbai. Bharat Petroleum refines crude oil and markets petroleum products in India. Number 3 on my list is Indian Oil Corporation. Their net income for the trailing 12 months is 386.1 billion Indian rupees. The company was founded in 1959 and is based in New Delhi. They have about 31,100 full-time employees. They engage in the refinery, pipeline transportation, and marketing of petroleum products in India. Number 2 on my list is Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Their net income for the trailing 12 months is 430.7 billion Indian rupees. The company was incorporated in 1993 and is based in New Delhi. They have about 26,000 full-time employees. They explore, develop, and produce crude oil and natural gas in India and internationally. Number 1 on my list is Reliance Industries Limited. Their net income is 685 billion Indian rupees. The company was incorporated in 1973 and is based in Mumbai. They engage in hydrocarbon exploration and production, oil and chemicals, textile, retail, digital, material composites, renewables, and financial services businesses worldwide. Now let's look at the weekly charts of these 5 companies. You will see the share prices today are well above the 50-week simple moving average. So they have done pretty well in the last few years. So that's the end of this short video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.